Hey Artland, how's it going? So in honor of Earth Day coming up, I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon version of the Earth. Now, there's lots of different ways that you guys can do this, and we're just going to kind of play around and have some fun with this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a nice big circle in the middle of my paper. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a nice big circle shape like this. Now, if you're a little worried about drawing a circle, then you can just go ahead and kind of trace something just to make your circle. Now, the first thing I want to do is I want to add some of the different continents in here, just so we can have a little bit of detail. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to do North America. So I'm just going to start by just making kind of a line that's just going to kind of squiggle down, and it's just going to kind of go around like this. And I'm just going to kind of come down here, put a little bump for Florida down there. Make a little line that goes across and then kind of squiggles down here. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down here for South America. Just going to kind of bring it down all the way to the end. Then I'm just going to make a little line that's going to kind of curve around, go up to here, and then kind of curve up to here. Just kind of finish it off. Then over here, we're just going to make a little line that's just going to kind of go down, kind of curve it around here. Nothing super fancy, just kind of keeping it simple. Then I'm going to put Africa over here, so we're just going to draw a little line. It's just going to kind of curve around. It's going to go down and kind of come down like this. Then I'm just going to add a little line. It's just going to kind of go down, kind of curve around right up here. Now, I want to keep this kind of cartoony, so I want to make this just kind of, like a little happy little Earth. So I'm going to put a little face on it. So starting right here, I'm just going to color in a black dot, and then I'm going to color in a black dot right over here. Then I'm going to give him a face, so I'm going to draw a straight line right between it. And then I'm just going to make a big smiley face right here. And then I'm going to add a little curved line right here for a tongue. And then I'm just going to color this part in here for the mouth. Now, I want to give our little cartoon Earth some legs, so I'm going to draw a line that goes down here. I'm going to make it a little bit fatter. And then I'm just going to make a line that goes out here like this for the foot. Then I'm going to make a little line that just kind of does the same thing over here. And then a little line that just kind of curves out like this for the other foot. And then right here I'm going to make the arms. So I'm just going to draw a little line that goes out, make it a little darker. And then I'm going to add a couple little fingers on it. We'll just put 4 fingers just to keep it kind of cartoony. And then same thing over here. Just kind of make a nice thick black line. Then I'm going to put a little thumb and then just some little fingers on it. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon Earth for Earth Day. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.